Hi, my name is Sandra and I'm on my third year of civil engineering at the University of Windsor. I kind of always knew that I liked physics and math, and I really didn't know that engineering was a thing. When I was growing up too, I used to like building things, more like hands-on experiences. I was doing a little bit of research on the UWindsor.ca website. It kind of says all the options that you have, and it got my attention that it says civil engineering and then civil engineering co-op program. I was like, okay, what is that? So I went to search it up, and I actually realized that it was a great opportunity to have hands-on experiences, that you got to work for a company for 4 months. And I realized that UWindsor was going to give me a lot of opportunities. The standard form is you have 4 years and you have 3 full co-op terms. So in total you have 4, 4, and 4, you have 12 months. I did co-op in my second year in the summer, so I did it a few months ago only. Everything that I did, everything that I learned, everything that I helped with in the 4 months of my first co-op term is helping me now. So first year of engineering is general, so we are all together 100 to 150 people in the same class for the first year. Then second year, most of the classes are also general. But then now that I'm on third year, in my civil engineering classes, there's only around 40 people. You get a little bit closer to the professor because there's only 40 people in the class. So I would say if you're considering within all the engineerings, if you're deciding which one, if you are interested in structures, how frames, how beams are able to withstand such forces when you go on the street or you go on the road, or even we have the Gordie Howe Bridge, if you are just amazed by how much forces, how much elements, and you're wondering, oh my God, how is it able to withstand everything? It's not even done. I would say civil engineering is going to solve so many questions. And yeah, definitely if you like physics and math, that too. Co-op helped me to thrive in civil engineering at UWindsor.